Watch out for snake tracks. They should be getting up here pretty soon. As soon as it hits about 70, 75, they start coming out. Ooh, look at that one. That one's party. Little baby one right here. Check, check, check. Oh, that's a new one. That wasn't there last time he came.
Looks very new.
Yeah. Ooh, that was my stomach. It's getting a little grumbly. The need to feed. Ooh, that one's dried up. I wonder what's going on with that shit.
I always like this sand right here.
Yeah, it's like
It's like beach sand.
yeah, it came from way up the mountain to get here. That one time when it was flooded, all this was underwater. There we go. Fucking fly tried to go in my eyeball. All right, fucker, get away. That's a big ass fly. That's a new one. That wasn't there.